This is Alfred droidshark, and I'm officially taking a look at one of the best free note-taking applications out there by Catch.com. This is Catch Notes. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so here we have the icon for the application itself. You can see the text just says Catch. See a little C logo right there, and tapping it up takes us right into the application. So you can see right here we have the Catch button, which tapping on does nothing. We have a refresh button right here. You can see this is where you get the quick little photo view on how to use the application. Anyways, jumping back, we have the little gear button right here, which takes us into some settings, which includes backing up our notes. If you set up a password, you can hit forget password right there. You have media files right there, location tagging, passcode lock, and you can change the passcode once you've set one up. You have different appearance settings as well, which includes changing the startup page from dashboard to notes, your sorting order, your preview lines, your list text size, your note text size, your editor text size, and turning on a tag picker. You also have reminder settings, which include selecting your ringtones, turning on and off vibrations, and turning on and off continuous reminders. You can export as a text file with your notes, which is pretty cool. And then you also have some about settings, which includes the FAQ, partners, sending the developer feedbacks, the terms of use, and the privacy policy. This is the menu button, so you can see tapping the main menu button will do the same exact thing. This is where you can browse photos and send feedback. You see the main screen here. You can tapping right there will hide that little kind of reminder message to the fact that you can set up different accounts with Facebook or Google for your private data. Go ahead and hide that, and we'll jump into the main experience here, which includes 8 little buttons: all notes, tags, text note, streams, camera note, gallery note, voice note, and reminder note. Very similar to a lot of the applications out there. We'll go ahead and hit all notes. This is how you get started. Create a note by tapping the plus button in the upper right of the screen. Create a tag by typing dash followed by whatever you want. You can tap on that to actually see the note. As you can see, no double tapping, no zooming, no scrolling, because it's a single page note. We can delete the note. As you can see, you can add an image from gallery, capture a photo, or do a voice recording. You can also change some of the text, which is pretty cool. And then again, here you got the menu button, and this time it has a little bit more functionality, which includes sharing, selecting stream, sending a reminder, commenting, sending feedback, and then the main settings, which we've already taken a look at. So this is to refresh, as you can see. Anyways, jump back. This button right here, as you can see, is kind of where we just were. That'll hide the settings up here, which is search, bookmark, tags right there, and profiles. Again, there's the menu. Hitting plus, here we have the experience for actually creating a new text note. This button right here selects your streams. This button right here changes location on and off. This is where you can install barcode scanner to scan QR codes. And this right here is attaching things like from the gallery, or capturing a photo, voice recording, or setting a reminder. You can save the note, and then as you can see, this is where you can enter the note. You have to do the different things that you can add right there to instantly set up a tag, which is pretty nice. Anyways, we can type anything, hit save, and it will indeed save the note. You can see it right here. Tap on that, tap menu, you can see the same exact options. You can tap this little star button right here to actually favorite that note to kind of give it more priority if you'd like. So that's pretty cool. Here we have the all notes. Again, you can also select the streams like we saw a little bit earlier. Anyways, let's go ahead and go back to the main experience. We also have tags here, so if we set up any tags, they'll come up over here. So if you create something with a to-do list and you tag it with to-do, all of your to-do things will come up right here, which is a really handy feature of this. Text note, this is just to enter a note, very similar to what we already looked at as far as all your notes. Streams, which we've already taken a look at. There's also camera note. So let's go ahead and tap on that. We'll put something in place. We'll let that focus. Snap a picture, and we'll hit the check button to actually use that picture. And the quick photo note has been saved, so if I go into all notes, you can see it right there. We can also hit this little text button right here to change some text for this. So I'll just go ahead and delete, use the voice keyboard. Get this fixed, period. Get this fixed. And as you can see, there it is. We can hit save. You can see the photo right there. Tapping on it, you do get pinch to zoom within the application, which is nice. You also have zoom buttons, which is nice to see again. You can see just how bad that shatter is. But anyways, jumping back, so we do indeed have that feature right there. Go back into the main menu. We have a gallery note, which is adding things from gallery, very similar to camera note. Voice note, so it'll begin recording exactly what you are actually speaking on your phone. You can see, looks like it can go up to 2 hours on a voice note. We'll hit done, and that'll take us, we can go ahead and hit all notes. There's the voice note. We can hit the play button.
So it'll begin recording exactly what you...
So that's pretty cool. And if you're one of the people who use an application to kind of, you know, if you're an artist or musician, you want to record something, you play something like that, very useful feature right there. And then we have reminder notes as well. So this is actually my new favorite note-taking application. I think that, you know, the application I've been using is Note Everything right there. But Catch Notes seems to be extremely efficient, very clean user interface, very fast, and that's the application. So in my personal opinion, this application doesn't have any of the fame and any of the popularity that I think it deserves. It has over 1 million downloads, but it only pulls a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. Now, not that that's a low rating, but I think that with some of the applications that I've been reviewing with higher 4.7, 4.8 star ratings, this should definitely be up there because it's definitely my favorite note application, and I think that if I like it, a lot of you guys will like it too. So if you're into applications that help you take notes, this is one of the cleanest user interfaces. Everything works, nothing is really laggy or stuttery. It does everything and every form of note taking you could really want your phone to do, and that's why I would definitely recommend it. Thanks you guys for watching. Have a great day.